Struggling with limited TV channels on your Firestick? Brace yourself because IPTV Smarters is the solution. Let's dive in. Start by heading to your Firestick settings. Navigate to the developer options to unlock this powerful app's potential. Enable apps from unknown sources. Approach this step cautiously to ensure a smooth installation. It's crucial for success. Download the Downloader app from your Firestick's App Store. It's your essential tool for installing IPTV Smarters seamlessly. Once installed, open Downloader and enter the IPTV Smarters URL. This powerful app awaits to enhance your viewing experience. Skip the technical jargon and jump right into fun. IPTV Smarters will redefine your entertainment access. Discover vibrant content options. Instantly access various channels you previously only dreamed of having at your fingertips. Remember to TV.store, the best provider to ensure an endless stream of quality content that works effortlessly with your device. Excited to enjoy seamless streaming? Fasten your seatbelts as we continue this transformative setup. You won't regret it. Follow each step and install in mere minutes. Your entertainment realm is on the brink of a fantastic upgrade. Congratulations, you've now unlocked the best TV experience possible. Welcome to a new era of endless streaming possibilities.